lots of ways to do that.
Is it stuck?
Put it down.
It works better if you keep it down on the floor.
Yeah, I could give a nice little slideshow of, I got lots of those photos, thousands.
Can you put it down, baby?
No, that's just how he wants to do it right now.
Oh, these are the magazines.
Did you measure like that?
Oh, she did. She did that.
Wasn't that the one made out of potatoes or paper?
No, okay.
That doesn't have stuff, these magazines. These magazines.
Well, any kind of paper.
Cool. Mailman,
Thank you.
want me to go get it?
It's okay. It's up to you.
Okay, I'll
It's
go get it.
misty.
It's a misty morning.